Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Robin and I am so happy I have a Luxely mystery box. I haven't bought one of these in like forever. So this was $44 and it came with the mystery beauty box and there was this on there too. So I don't know what this is. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please become a subscriber and tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. It really helps me out. And of course, if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty. So let's get into this mystery bag. I saw it online, and again, it was $44, and it's this big box, and I didn't know there was like a bag. So I'm so excited to get into it. I hope you guys are all having a great week. I know weather hit like Washington and some other parts of the country. We are having a cold spell. It was like 60 last night and this morning. So it was kind of cold. So I have like a sweater on. It's supposed to get back into the 80s, but who knows? So I'm hibernating inside, filming videos and having coffee. I know it sounds weird, but I got some tea in one of my boxes and I'm gonna make some iced tea. So what is in this bag? It doesn't have anything on it. And look at this cute little thing. And there's something inside that as well. Oh, some goodies. There's, looks like a lip mask. And there's a crushed rosebud lip. So I'm assuming it's like a lip oil. Been getting crushed items lately. So this is a rosebud lips, and this is a lip mask. And we have a I'm Lemon mask. Ooh, lots of fun things. And there's one more thing. And this is the Skin Chemist Green Caviar Day Moisturizer. That is a nice size. So all that was in this little goodie bag. Yay, yay. So I could just imagine what's in this box. So let me know if any of you got this Luxely. And it says, enclosed is your Luxely mystery box. Thank you for your order. Inside you will find an assortment of items from past boxes. Since each box is different, I don't include a product information card. But if you have any questions or comments, please email me at hello@Luxelybeautybox. I hope you enjoy everything. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And it looks like Vanessa, she might be the owner of this. And as I said, I haven't gotten a Luxely like in forever. So I don't think I would have anything. And the first thing is IQ Infusion Deep Caring Hair Mask. Oh, wow. And my hair is so dry and brittle that I will definitely be trying this. And this thing is huge. This is what it looks like. And let's see if it's sealed. Of course. I can't smell it. But I am definitely going to give this a try sooner than later. Okay. And toner puff. Looks like there's a few toner puffs. And let's see how we open the toner puffs. Oh dear. Oh, look at the cute toner puff bag. I guess you can keep them in there and maybe even put it on delicate in your washing machine. But these feel so soft. Oh my gosh, I wish you can feel them. They're like a robe or a slipper. Wow, and I've never even heard of them. And as I said, I love the little bag. Ooh, loving this box. And then we got, it looks like a hairbrush, a Pro Detangler. Now, my hair again is soft, brittle and very fine. So I hope this won't tear my hair out, but it is a really nice brush. And there's a few more items, and of course these Luxely things that I get all over the floor. And Trifle Cosmetic Soft Swirl. It's a face mask, overnight hydrating face mask, and I love these. So this is a keeper. It's like crunching. It's soft up here, but it's crunching at the bottom. It might just be the plastic that's around there. And Big Sexy Hair Spray and Play. And I've used this before, and it does work wonders on people that have hair like me. And Anti-Fade Color Protection Vivid Memory. And what is it? Vibrant Sexy Hair. Is it a hairspray? Is it a conditioner? I can't read. Prep and Style Blowout Spray. So that's nice, and it's a nice size. So I'm liking that. And there's one last thing in the box. Skin Research Intelligent Youth Peptide Toner. Oh, that must go with those pads. So let's recap what we got in this box. And again, I paid $44, and we got the toner, and this is 7 ounces. And we got, this must be a spray that you put on before you blow dry, so it protects your hair. And we got my squishy overnight mask, and it says face mask. I wanted to make sure it was a hair mask. So it is a face mask. And then we got our Big Sexy Hair, and it's like a spray to boof up. And we got this huge hair mask, and I don't know how long you leave it on. It's detox and balance, and it's 6.8 ounces, but I don't know how long you leave it on for because the writing's so small and I can't read. And we got this great brush. I just have to make sure it's not going to pull my hair out, but it's a nice brush. And my favorite item are these little puffies, these toner puffies. And it's got instructions, and it came with this great bag. And then I'm assuming everybody got this cute little like makeup bag that came with the moisturizer. It came with the face mask. It came with the lip mask. I'm running out of room. And it came with the lip mask. So what did you think of this? Let me know if you bought this box and what items. They say that no two boxes are the same. So let me know what you got in your box, and leave comments as to what your favorite item in this box was. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. I do appreciate it. And you guys have an awesome day.